Hello everyone, my name is Kamna Evle. I am lecturer in chemistry and today we are going to study a topic bond formation in sodium chloride molecule. So let's begin with it. Sodium chloride. We heard this name before and we know that it is commonly known as table salt, which usually we used in our food, essential compound of it, and we can't even take out food without it. Now its molecular formula is NaCl and we are going to um, know this bond formation in this molecule, NaCl molecule. Now since NaCl is having two atoms, one atom is Na and its atomic number is 11 and electronic configuration is 281. This is its orbital electronic configuration diagram. The central portion is having plus 11 proton and the 11 electrons filled in the different orbital. First orbital is having 2 electron, second orbital or second shell is having 8 electron, and the third one and the outermost orbital is having 1 electron. It is the outermost orbital which is having, that's why the configuration is 281. This is the 3D animation of sodium atom, and we can see clearly here that the proton and neutrons, they are also revolving in the central, and the electrons revolving around the nucleus in a shell. Now the atomic number of chlorine, the other atom, is 17 and its electronic configuration is 287. In the center it is having 17 proton, and in the shell it is having first shell having 2 electrons, and the second shell is having 8 electrons, and the third shell it is having 7 electrons. The outermost shell is having 7 electrons and the configuration is 287. This is again the 3D animation of chlorine atom. Here we can see the electrons, protons and neutrons. Now both sodium and chloride follow octet rule. Now what do you mean by octet rule? As we already studied it, octet means having 8 electron in its outermost shell. Means both atom require 8 electron in its outermost shell. Now this sodium atom, its configuration is 281 and it also want 8 electron in its outermost shell. What's easy for it? To lose one electron, right? So it will lose one electron and resulting in the formation of sodium plus ion. What sodium atom has done, it is having one electron in its outermost shell, and this loses one electron resulting in the formation of sodium ion. Now how this positive charge come on a sodium ion? Let's understand this. In sodium atom, number of proton equal to number of electron. Now the number of proton in sodium atom plus 11, as is atomic number is plus 11, and number of electrons are minus 11. So the total charge, positive charge equal to total negative charge. That means the total charge is 0. That's why sodium atom doesn't having any charge on it. And what about the chlorine atom? What about the sodium ion? Now we, to formation of sodium ion, we already know that it is having number of proton plus 11 and it loses one electron. When it get formed, when it loses one electron, that means it is having, after losing one electron, it is having 10 number of electrons. Now the total charge is plus 1, which will be always seeing on the sodium atom. Now again for the chlorine atom, to octet, this will also follow octet rule. The electronic configuration is 287. This clearly having 7 electron is outermost shell, and what is easy for it, it will gain 1 electron, resulting in the formation of chlorine ion, which is negatively charged ion, right? And the configuration will be 288. So what the chlorine atom has done, it gain 1 electron and resulting in the formation of chloride ion. Now we will understand how this charge will come. In chlorine atom, as usual, the number of proton will be equal to the number of electron. The proton is plus 17 and electrons are minus 17. So the total number of positive charge equal to the total number of negative charge. That's why the total charge is 0. But in the case of chloride ion, total number of proton or number of electrons, we will again see this. Total number of proton is plus 17. And what about the electron? It has taken one electron, it gained one electron. So the number of electron is 18. Now the total charge will minus 1 and it is appearing in the chloride ion. Now we get that? Okay. So to follow octet rule in sodium chloride atom, that means for getting 8 electron in its outermost shell, what we can say, sodium is losing one electron and chlorine is gaining one electron. In other words, we can say like that, that one electron of sodium atom has been transferred to the chlorine atom. Got it? One electron from the outer shell mass of sodium atom will transfer to the chlorine atom. Let's understand it with the help of a diagram. To follow the octet rule, that means having 8 electron in its outermost shell, sodium have transfer its one electron to the chlorine atom like this, right? And we know already know as a transferable electron resulting in the formation of positive charge ion, sodium ion will get positive charge, chlorine ion will get negative charge. Now the configuration of chloride ion is 288 and of that sodium is 28. Now there is a one positive charge ion and one negative charge ion. Due to transfer of electron, there is one positive charge ion and other one is negative charge ion. As in the plus or minus charge, that is positive and negatively charged of ion, there is a force of attraction, electrostatic force of attraction. So in the same way, there is a sodium ion and chloride ion. In between them, one is positively charged, another is negative charged. There is a strong force of attraction in between two, resulting in the formation of a bond, and that bond is called ionic bond, or this one is also called as electrovalent bond. Now this compound in which this sodium chloride compound in which ionic bond is formed, this compound is called as electrovalent compound or ionic compound. Thank you very much.